Hi, Pomeroy. This is Mrs. Hammond here. I'm inside my son's room, and I really wanted to be a part of the story time fun. I've got my son right now. He's climbing all over the place. I'm hoping he lets me get through our favorite book together. We read it every night before we go to bed. It's called Should I Share My Ice Cream by Mo Willems. Ice cream, get your cold ice cream for a hot day. Oh boy, ice cream. Woo! One ice cream, please. Here you go. Oh boy, I love ice cream. Wait, Piggy loves ice cream too.
He did it!
You did it. Piggy is my best friend. Should I share my ice cream with her?
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Ryden. Should I share my awesome, yummy, sweet, super great, tasty, nice, cool ice cream?
He did it!
Maybe Piggy does not like this flavor.
I agree.
Ice cream. Sharing a flavor Piggy does not like would be wrong. I will eat the ice cream. Wait. Piggy will like this flavor.
Hi, Mommy.
It is very yummy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Ryden.
Top.
Yeah, you're getting on the top.
Top.
I will share my ice cream. It will not be easy. Oh, sorry. Hey, Piggy is not here. She does not know I have ice cream.
Oh, what? Top. What?
I will eat the ice cream!
Eat ice cream.
Where is Piggy? Oops, there we go. I want you to see Piggy.
Yeah, it will Piggy.
Where is Piggy? What if she is sad somewhere? I must find her. When I do, I will say, would you like some of my ice cream? Oh, sorry. Then she will say, thank you, that would cheer me up. Then I will give her my ice cream to share.
Ice cream.
Yum. Are you ready for your favorite part? It's coming. Then my best friend will be happy.
Hi, Mommy.
Happy. You ready for your favorite part? It's coming. I will do it. I will share my ice cream. Don't take the book. Don't take the book. We're sharing it with all of our friends.
Topped it.
Dropped it. He dropped it.
Topped it.
Ready? Ready to show them what we do? No! Now Piggy cannot have any ice cream. Now I cannot have any ice cream. Let's show them. You do that very well. I blew it. Almost done.
Oh, no, Dad.
There's Piggy. You look sad. Would you like some of my ice cream?
Whoa. Okay.
Hold on, Ryden.
No.
Thank you. That would cheer me up. Oh, yum.
Whoa.
See my son climbing behind me?
Whoa.
That was not my plan.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh well, this works too.
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
We made it through the book. Thank you so much, Pomeroy, for reading with us. I miss seeing all of you at school. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye. Right in. Say bye.
Wow.